everyone, I am Nanni and this is my channel. Welcome. Comment, like and subscribe. Today we start a new adventure. I have announced, I have already made the unboxing, link down below if you are interested. Unboxing are useful when you buy something online, so you can see what's inside the box you are going to buy, and you are pretty sure not to buy something you don't want. Today we start mounting this. To me it's a new adventure, as I have never assembled this kind of chassis. The car is a Subaru. I don't want to do nothing special, perhaps some little touch. For instance, I would like to have these rims in gold. It's a Subaru must. I have the engine, I have I think everything I need, and today I want to show you how do I prepare the work. A good preparing procedure is important to have a nice work and not to do mistakes. So let's open the box. But I think that in order to show you better, I put the camera on my head and use the phone as a feedback, just to see that I'm not... And the thing that I have to remember is to stay very steady with my head. I hope so. Let's see what am I able to do. This is all what was in the box. Lot of things, the plastic pieces and so on are no more in the plastic bags, because I've made the unboxing, but all the plastic bags are here inside. Okay, I don't use to throw them away. I prefer to take them in the box. Just two bags, one for the sprues. The sprue is the part on which you find the pieces. One for the sprues, so we don't throw in the garbage any plastic. And another one for all the pieces that I don't use. Then we have some reused plastic. These are for vegetables and so on. They are very useful. And this is ecological too. I don't throw them away. And in this I will use for screws and other pieces. Well, we have two great family of things. One, the body, with all the body parts, all what you have to paint, and here there is nothing else. In the body parts I put also the rims, because all these pieces you have to wash and then to paint. And all these pieces I put in the box. This is one kind of work. Other pieces are the electric parts. So we need one of these. And we put the electric parts here inside. I need the receiver and the servo. And I have ordered the servo and I'm waiting for delivery. Delivery! cheap, standard, but good servos, 9 kilos. And another thing, an envelope, and I bought bearings. All these are the bearings for the Toyota Yaris. Oh, thank you very much. Bye bye. One in the box of the Yaris with bearings, one in the box of the Porsche, you will see, and this is for this one. Perfect! Electrics. The receiver, I have one here, Noble. Okay, we have the receiver. Then we have the frame and all the plastic parts I used to put here beside. This, yes, this not. These are for dampers. So I put everything I need to mount dampers in another one. This, yes, this of course. This is dampers, transmission dampers, and we will have also some metal damper parts. This is, oh, the battery, the battery, this is for the battery, okay. Frame, body, mirrors, there, tires, there, frame, steering is electronics, there, these are rods, and these are other kind of plastic parts, transmission, oh, we have a lot of things, diffs, antenna, this I put there, and these are gearing, these I put there. You don't have to follow this order, this is how I do, just to divide something. Then, wonderful, the steering, this is an option part, tires, there. Belt, this is for transmission, and these are the bags. This bag I don't think that I use, and as I am a fetishist of the collections, it would be nice to maintain this closed, as it comes from Japan. We have all these parts. So, and this I don't use. I leave it in the box. These are for transmission. And by now, all these parts I put here. Look at this motor mount, fantastic. This is a very nice car. I can leave it in the bag, but this is a new car, so perhaps I don't know some parts. It's better to leave it in the bag, so when the instructions says go to bag A, I found everything inside. This need no explanation, and this I don't think that I will use a lot of these things. These are the dampers parts. Also, transmission I put here. White gear, fantastic. Dampers, I was saying dampers are here. And for dampers we have this, but not this. These are for the wheels. The pinion with the dampers, plastic parts. No, I leave everything together, then I look for 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I will put all the screws. And what is this? Wow, a long belt. Fantastic. It's a belt transmission. It would be nice. This work would be nice. A lot. Stickers. Stickers. Paper. Ah, this is interesting. Setting sheet. Wow, very technical. This is important. This is not important. Paper. There. Body instruction here. And these are the instructions. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a shop where I bought that. Here inside. And now, for the first time, I want to take a look to the instructions before starting. And this is fantastic. Since the first Tamiya car I had, look at this transmitter. And this is one of the first with the steering. And we start. IFS STD. Okay. The first thing I see are the body mounts. I hate body mounts, so I think that I will not mount them up to the end in order to see how can I manage, perhaps here over, with Velcro or magnets. So this, I have to understand if this chassis for the Subaru is IFS or STD. Front suspension. Oh no, I want this. Ah, this was, I wasn't, sorry, I'm an old boiled guy. This is for push rods, and this is traditional. I want this. This is can be assembled with either inboard, either. It doesn't depend from the body. This, we will do this, absolutely. So, we start with the diffs. Transmission, okay, transmission. This is the belt gear. Okay, supports. Mount here the transmission. It's very nice, it's very compact, fantastic. Okay, this I suppose is the rear. No, perhaps it's right. Attraction gear case. Okay, we will discover this. Very technical. The rods, okay. Push rod. Wow. We have the first belt, the long one, and then to get in the center of the car, we have another short belt. And 16 and 16. Then I will read carefully. Okay. Bearings, ball bearings, fantastic. Look at the carter over this spool gear. And I'm sorry, I'm a little slow, but you can read with me and see how to mount this new chassis. Okay, shock absorbers. I've made tons of shock absorbers, no problem. Shock tower. And these are the long shafts for the push rod system, the one we will use. And at the end we mount the motor here. Okay, this is a tensioner perhaps. Radio. Okay, okay. ESC. Antenna. Wheels. We have sponge inside. Nice sponge. Glue. And here the horrible body mounts. These are horrible. This is good, but is held by the two body mounts. So if I don't use body mounts, I have to cut them. We will see. Battery. This is the battery compartment door. This is all for the body mounts, body mounts, body mounts. STD. Okay. If you do, okay. Standard suspension, this we can ignore, but perhaps there are some differences on the shock mounting. For sure there's not a long piece for the push, and this is all, and this is all. Fantastic. All the parts. Tamiya, a lot of plastic, but it's number one. It's number one. Traxxas, I love it. The Schumacher, fantastic. Team Associated, technical, metal and so on, they are another level. But all together, the instruction, the packaging, the engineering, Tamiya is really fantastic. Okay, for today we have prepared the work, and we are ready to start. We have all the pieces, we had delivery, and thank you very much for watching. Up to the next, comment, like and subscribe. Ciao.